Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One and this is another garden update video. So let's get into it, you guys. As you can see, these are the seedlings that I planted indoors that I left outside, and we had an extreme cold front. I mean, you would have thought this was wintertime. It was frosty, it was extremely cold, and all my seedlings died. It is what it is, nothing I can do about it. So let's move on to the mint now. The mint is doing good. I mean, we're getting a couple more leaves. Now, this is what happened with the cold front. It literally burnt the leaves of the potatoes. So this is the container with the potatoes and cabbage, right? Yeah. Okay, and look how the leaves are all messed up, burnt, and yeah, it's just, this is April. Like, I'm so sick of this cold winter weather. That is April. Where is the spring? See, this is why I like the summertime. I ain't got time for this wishy-washy stuff. Now, the last day of frost was in March, the latest. This is April, so I don't understand why we still getting winter weather. But anyway, moving on. Remember, I said I was going to plant asparagus and tomatoes in one crate. On the pack of the asparagus, it says to soak the seeds in water for 24 hours. Yeah, this has been like 2 weeks. The seeds been in this water. And as you can see, the water's all murky and I don't know. I still planted the seeds. I don't know if it's going to grow, but we're going to see. So, yeah, my bad. Okay, you guys, so in the next clip it will be the rosemary update, and if you have house plants, you already know that you might come across fungus gnats. So I put the little sticky pad in there that y'all saw in the last video. This is the results of it. So when I put the sticky pad in the bowl, I also covered it up with saran wrap, and I did not water the plants anymore. So the reason why the plants is all spilled over is because I kept shaking the bowl. So that way the fungus gnats can get out their little, soil or whatever and fly around and get onto the sticky pad. But I'm going to end up putting the rosemary inside the blue container. So any plants that I can move outside, I'm definitely going to. All right, moving on to the container with the squash, sugar baby watermelon, and dill. So this is looking good. It survived the cold front. All right, moving on to the container that has the eggplant, and the dill is from last season and it must have fell over and planted inside the container. So this is a container that has the beans. It survived the frost. All right, you guys, so these next couple of clips are going to go by fairly quickly because I was having a hard time, and if you know me, I don't like bugs, but I love to garden. This container is the beets, carrots, and spring onions. If you was watching my videos last year, you knew in this container I grew radishes. So a couple radishes seeds must have fell into the pot and it regrew this year. But I put the radishes in this container this year. Also, this is a pepper tower, and it consists of different types of pepper, and I put spinach and oregano sprinkled throughout because they are companions. And if you haven't checked my companion video, check that one out. All right, you guys, moving on to the herb garden. This is the kale from last year that is going to flower, and in the container with the kale I planted lettuce, thyme, Swiss chard, sage, and if I'm not mistaken, chives. All right, you guys, so let's get into harvest time. And I said, you know what, let me just harvest some of the radishes, but I only ended up harvesting one radish. If you made it this far in the video, you guys, please subscribe. It really do help my channel. It's free for you and it's free support for me. And also hit that notification bell because I post consistently so you won't miss me. And also give the video a like because it will help push my video out with the algorithm. But anyway, this is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and have a good day.